Okay, so today I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to cook sausage. When it comes to cooking the artisan sausage, it can be very difficult sometimes because there's not a lot, if any, fillers or binders. So if you don't cook them right, they can come out dry. This method I'm going to show you requires the sous vide. And I do this for when I want to cook the sausages ahead of time and just do a quick reheat. So Shannon and I are going kayaking tomorrow. We're going to have a little something to eat afterwards. These are going to be cooked, cooled down, a quick sear in a pan tomorrow on my butane burner to warm them up. And I've got the start of a really great lunch. So I have my sous vide set for 150 degrees. I'm going to cook these sausages for 2 to 4 hours before I drop them into an ice bath. The trick with this is to have frozen sausage. They're going to just go in a little bit better than fresh sausages. So here I have 4 bratwurst sausages from Central Park Farms, frozen still, which is what I'm looking for. I'm going to pop them into my Ziploc bag, like so. And then I'm going to almost entirely close the bag, just leaving a little bit open on the end here. And then we're going to use the water displacement method, where we use the water pressure to push out the air from our bag. Now with the sausages, oh, you've got a little bit closed, there we go. With the sausages, like I say, you can get a little bit of floating action, especially if they're fresh. So what we're going to do is once we get all the air out, like we have here, I'm going to finish closing the bag up. Then I am just going to put my bag over the side like so. Put a pair of tongs right there. It's going to hold the sausage in the water. And like I say, I'll come back 2 to 4 hours. I'll get myself a little bath of really cold water, preferably ice water. So if you have ice out of your fridge or freezer, that would be awesome. And we'll cool them down really quick. Tomorrow, I just got to take them with me, quickly heat them up. So we'll show you that as well. So we'll come back in a few hours and I'll just show you how we drop these in the ice bath. Okay, so we're back. It's been in here for about 3 hours now. All I need to do now is just going to knock this off. Take out my sausage. I have a little ice water bath. Just going to dump them in there. We're going to let these cool down. Once they're nice and cold, I'm going to take them out of the bag, separate them, put them in the fridge, and then we're going to take these to the lake with us tomorrow and cook them on our little griddle pan over our butane burner. And I'll do a video of that just to show you. But this is a great way to cook your sausages ahead of time. You can reheat them. You go on camping, anything like that. Save you a little bit of time, Mother's Day brunch, anything. Time saver, and it's always nice and juicy, the sausage.